Introduction to Saramali Tools. Today, we're introducing the Enviropurge Fuel Injection Cleaning Tool, a professional solution designed to restore engine performance by cleaning your entire fuel system without dismantling. Over time, carbon deposits, varnish, and fuel residues accumulate within the engine, clogging fuel injectors, restricting airflow through the intake system, and contaminating the combustion chamber. These issues can lead to reduced engine power, poor fuel efficiency, rough idling, and sluggish acceleration, ultimately affecting the overall reliability of the vehicle. With the Enviropurge system, a complete fuel system cleaning service can be performed quickly and effectively. The tool connects directly to the vehicle's fuel rail using an appropriate adapter, allowing a specialized cleaning solution to circulate through the system. As the engine runs during the process, the cleaning solution works through the fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chamber, removing harmful deposits and restoring optimal function. This cleaning process not only removes accumulated contaminants but also helps restore lost engine power, improve fuel economy, and enhance combustion efficiency. By improving the injector spray pattern and ensuring smoother airflow, the system contributes to better engine responsiveness and reduced emissions.